Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from Simmonsessentials, bringing you the Glorious Wreath knot, and this one will be the Glorious Wreath. Last video I said that and then I changed my mind at the last minute because it looked different than I thought it would. So this one's going to be the Glorious Wreath no matter what it looks like. Left side's at the belt line. Let's go ahead and put in a dimple here or a fold, whatever you want to do. It kind of looks like a mocha fold from Boris Mocha, but that's up to you. We're going to come over here. Let me slide my camera in a little bit closer so you can see it. I'm going to come over here with the skinny end and bring it up and over like so. Come back and do the same thing. And I'm going to leave it folded like this. Then I'm going to start my wreath technique. I'm just going to do a couple twists like this. I'm going to come up and over like so. I'm going to do another wreath over here. I'm going to come back over here like so. Up and over. I'm going to leave it folded in half. I'm going to find my wreath over here, which is this one, and I'm going to kind of come back over like this. And then I'm going to do another wreath and go back right next to it like this. Let me put my collar down real quick. Again, if you want to see the picture for this, go to Instagram and check out Simmonsessentials. So there you have it. The Glorious Wreath. And then if you have anything extra, you can just like tuck it under here somewhere, or there you go. I don't really have anything left. If you don't, you can just let it hide there. If you do, I don't want that in there, just kind of like tuck it underneath there and hide it. So there you have it. On your side, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. See you in the next video.